I wasn't even hungry.
It's the ultimate barbecue appetizer at this moment, and we are going to make our own version of it. The timeline on my phone is literally blowing up with queso dip recipes. Look at it, queso dip, queso dip, queso dip, queso dip. It's all queso dip. I can't look at any other recipe than queso dip. And as a Dutch guy, I cannot skip out on any recipe that involves cheese. So we got to make this queso dip, and we're going to do it right now. And the first thing that we're going to do is fire up a barbecue. Our burnout smoker is almost up to temperature, around at 180 to 200 degrees Celsius. We are using the burnout smoker because it's going to give us the ultimate control on temperature and the amount of smoke. I already have a pan in, and we're preheating the pan so it's ready to be rendering down pork sausage stuffing. Of course, if you live in the Netherlands, pork sausage stuffing comes from pork sausage. So we got to take them out of the jacket, and then they are ready to hit the pan and let it render down. We need it to crumble up completely into really small bits. And while we are cooking our pork sausage stuffing, we have the perfect opportunity to render out some bacon. After around 20 minutes, our pork sausage stuffing is fully rendered down and turned into nice crumbly bits. Our bacon has turned crispy and absolutely yummy. Our pork sausage stuffing looks really good. And our pork sausage stuffing is already seasoned, so we don't have to do anything about it. If you're using minced meat, you gotta pre-season it for your queso. And look at our bacon. Look at how crispy it is. It just turns into nice bits that will go in our queso. It disappears, but still give you that bacon flavor. We just need it in the background. We don't need the crispy bits in there, because when the cheese is melting, the bacon will turn soft again. We're just looking for flavor. Of course, we're gonna need cheese for our queso dip. And we're starting with 300 grams of Gouda old cheese. To that, we're going to add some young Gouda cheese, some Emmentaler, some Gruyere, and finally some cheddar for a little bit of color in our cheese. Look at how epic this looks. This could feed at least 20 to 30 people as an appetizer. And I know you guys with OCD can do a great job with this. Let's put this on the smoker, let the cheese melt. I'll see you guys on the other side of this epic B-roll. I told you it was worth it to wait until the epic B-roll was done. This looks absolutely fantastic. We got a queso. I smoked the sausage in the meanwhile because I love my sausage. And we got our chips. So now it's time for a taste test.
Where to start? Oh, hot. Oh, but good.
Just makes me want to grab a beer. Oh, love that jalapeno.
Basically, I'm just eating like a big piece of cheese.
It's rich, it's creamy.
With meat in it, with peppers in it.
And the onion, it just gives it a little crunch.
Cheese in it.
And I can taste the bacon.
You might ask yourself, why do we go that extra mile for just a cheese dip? It's not just a cheese dip.
It's all there, it's all there. The jalapeno, it gives it a little bite.
I had 3 nachos and I already feel it in my stomach. I wasn't even hungry.
If you don't like a little bite, just leave out the jalapeno, but I'll love it.
No, seriously, this is actually a meal.
This is what you eat with friends. You need, like, for a dip like this, you need 20 friends or something like that. Otherwise, you're gonna be really big. This could be a sauce or something, like on a burger. So you make a burger and then just top it off with queso or like pulled pork topped off with queso.
I don't have any special words to describe it. It just makes me happy.
Imagine what you could do with this. Oh yeah.
There's like an instant glow of happiness coming through my head. Oh man, I'm glad you put the old cheese in it. If you haven't tried our old cheese in the Netherlands, I don't know, order it or something. Old Amsterdam, old Gouda, pick whatever you want, but try it.
And I love smoked sausage.
Sausage time.
It's like a supermarket smoked sausage, but
I like smoked sausages now. I have a pellet smoker myself.
just put it on your barbecue, fresh sausage, and it tastes amazing. Like a little nice pork sausage.
And it's like so easy to do. You don't need any preparation, you just buy a sausage, doesn't matter what kind of sausage, put it on the smoker and you're done.
Oh yeah, perfect fit for our queso.
Oh yeah.
Let's be real.
Oh yeah.
This is not the creamiest, smooth looking cheese sauce.
Amazing.
If you want to have that smooth consistency, you got to make a cheese sauce first. That's not what this is about. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just got to taste great. And that's what happens when you put it on a barbecue all together. And if you have this, a couple of beers, a couple of pals, a spoonful of love. Right there in your mouth. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and our view on the queso dip. Give it a try, you won't be disappointed. Great appetizer. Hope to see you guys next time. Big thank you to our patrons and our YouTube members. See you next time. Until then, eet smakelijk.
Oh, that's my line.
Okay, do yours first.
Eet smakelijk.
And keep on grilling.
I got it
What?
on my shirt.
You got it all on your shirt. You're a dirty bastard. What do you like better, with the nacho chips or with the...
I think the nacho chips.
No?
Yeah, I would rather say with the sausage. I don't taste the cheese as much as with the nacho.
Yeah, but we got good nacho. We got the Dorito version with the spicy one.
Oh yeah.
What's it called again? Dorito... Chili Dorito, so chili. I like it better with sausage. I'm just keep on thinking what you could do with this, like as a sauce, as like a topping. On a burger, on like a pulled pork sandwich. Or just on like mashed potatoes.